My name is Jennifer Kepler. I am the Education Program Senior Manager here at Gowanus Canal Conservancy, and the name of our project is the Mussel Habitat Project. The primary goals of the Mussel Habitat Project are to tackle some of the issues that are taking place in the Gowanus Canal, primarily the current pollution and pollutants that are entering the canal, which are due to combined sewer overflows. The mussels play a really important role in their natural filtration process. They remove a number of the harmful bacteria and the things that we generally think of as icky from the water and have a really important role in improving water quality. We are really very thankful for the P2I program in supporting this mussel habitat project. It really helps fuel the work that we're doing. It provides the ability for myself and also our partners to be able to have the time and take the time to give to the students to create these programs for the students that they take part in, from the after school monitoring to fabrication of their designs to installing them and bringing that back into their classroom. It has provided us with a really great opportunity to support all the work that we're doing. This is the first year that we've been able to have the students' designs actually installed on bulkhead, and this is a crucial turning point in the direction that this project is heading. And with this new installation, this is something that could really take us in the direction of having true vertical habitat in the canal that can last, that can support life, and really reach the goals of what we're aiming for with this project. At Gowanus Canal Conservancy, we have an active youth program, and to see students who took part in the Mussel Habitat Project take an interest and want to become environmental stewards and joining our green team or our youth internship and taking their own time to give back to the environment, I think is just a really unintended thing that happened. Some of the best benefits is really just giving students the opportunity to be change makers and to be able to tackle problems that maybe they might not see as an issue that they could tackle, but giving them the tools and the materials that can really help them and support them in doing things that maybe they didn't think possible. If we have a healthy waterway, we have a healthy community. The benefits that biodiversity and the cleaner waterways, having those things, also benefit the community at large.